Hello, this is Nimi Debashis for Rep Sports. As you all know, Rohit Sharma is the talk of the town now. Means obviously the Indian captain is having a lean patch, and it has been for quite some time now. And with me to talk more on Rohit Sharma, the Indian team, the Champions Trophy, I have none other than former India captain and the selection committee chairman, who was an ex-selection committee chairman, Dilip Vingskarkar. Dilip bhai, ऑब्वियसली पहले जो आपसे सवाल करना चाहता हूँ कि ऑब्वियसली रोहित का फॉर्म को लेके बहुत कुछ चल रहा है मीन्स इन द क्रिकेटिंग फ्रेटर्निटी बाहर से देख के आपको क्या लगता है व्हाट हैज़ बीन द रीज़न दैट रोहित इज कंटिन्यूसली फेलिंग.
See, this can happen to any player, I would say. Or Rohit is a big match player. Though he had a poor run of late, तो मुझे लगता है कि लेकिन I think the big match like India Pakistan he will definitely fire. That is very important for Indian team. क्योंकि he's an experienced player. He has done so well in the past. He has scored almost 11,000 ODI runs. And of course, it is a matter of concern for everybody that he's not been among runs because he has to score runs at the top of the order to give the team a very good start. Rohit is an outstanding player. He's a match winner, and I hope that he fires against Pakistan.
Yeah, obviously, Dilip bhai, coming back to Rohit, obviously he recently dropped himself from the Sydney Test in the recently concluded Border Gavaskar Trophy. So, and despite that, he has not been scoring runs. So, is it time to move on?
No, the thing is that he was short on confidence, possibly, because I don't know, because I live in Mumbai and he was playing in Australia. So it's not fair for me to comment on this. But having said that, he didn't score runs in test matches. And when you don't score runs, when you don't have score behind you, you are short on confidence because this game is all about confidence. And once Rohit gets his runs back, once he gets his form back, I'm sure Adil will be a different player.
दिलीप भाई ऑब्वियसली रोहित हम सब जानते हैं कि ही हैज़ बीन अ फेनोमिनल प्लेयर इन वाइट बॉल फॉर्मेट स्पेशली वनडे क्रिकेट. विराट और रोहित दोनों हम जानते हैं कैन व्हाट दे कैन डू बट डू यू थिंक दैट when you watch Rohit from outside, is it sort of a cluttered mind? Means obviously हमने पिछले जो मैच में भी देखा था, he was defending Jofra Archer, but the moment Shakib Mahmood came, he tried to flick him over the mid wicket and he got caught by Livingstone. But do you think that it has got something to do with mental aspect? Means that he some sort of means that the off form in longer format is reflecting on his batting in shorter version as well.
This game is all about confidence. And when you don't have runs behind you, you lose that confidence. So he has to spend time in the middle and he should get his confidence back because he's too good a player to fail for a long time. And I'm very glad that he's been persisted with in the team. और मुझे लगता है कि जब वो फॉर्म में आएंगे तभी he'll be a different player completely and because he's a match winner. And once he gets those shots, he was square leg or those pull shot over square leg and mid wicket, he'll be like old Rohit Sharma.
बट देन आपको क्या लगता है अप्रोच क्या होना चाहिए रोहित का? क्योंकि जैसे आपने देखा कि पिछले मैच में जो हम बात कर रहे थे कि ही वाज ट्राइंग टू मींस इज ही इन टू माइंड्स मींस वेदर टू डिफेंड स्टे इन, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि इफ ही स्टेज इन द मिडिल फॉर अ फ्यू टाइम देन ऑटोमेटिकली द रन्स विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग इन एंड इफ ही स्कोर्स अ 20-30 इफ ही गेट्स द स्टार्ट देन वी ऑल नो व्हाट ही कैन डू. बट डू यू थिंक दैट अप्रोच को लेके कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
See, initial overs are very important in any form of cricket, for that matter, in any format. And once he plays those 6-7 overs, and then once he's set, then he will score runs. Because once he gets his shots going, once he gets his legs moving, arm and eye coordination going, and I'm sure he'll be a different Rohit Sharma.
Same applies to Virat as well. He scored only one century in last 3 years. What do you suggest Virat? Means obviously Virat, there can be no two doubts about that he is the greatest in modern day cricket. But when it comes to form, he is also having a lean patch.
Yeah, same thing like Rohit. Virat also is going through a lean patch. He is also low on confidence. But what happens is these players are great players, and once you give them platform, especially a bigger platform like India-Pakistan game, they will bring out their best. And that is what we expect from both of them because they are great players. They have done it in the past. And I'm sure once they get their eye in, once they get set, I'm just looking forward to it.
What is your opinion on Gautam Gambhir? A lot has been spoken about him as well, his managerial skills, but he happens to be he has not only as a player won World Cup twice, but also has been a successful coach, mentor of IPL franchise. But so it's that he has not. It hasn't been a great start for his coaching career. So बाहर से देख के क्या लग रहा है व्हाट हैज बीन द प्रॉब्लम विद गौतम गंभीर इज इट गॉट समथिंग टू डू विथ हिज मैनेजरियल skills?
I don't know, to be honest with you, because I'm not inside. So I don't know what is happening. I mean, he has won the IPL for KKR and ODI, as you said. But Test match cricket is completely different because every session is important. Every session you have to plan strategies, how to go about things. But then his role is very restricted because he's sitting outside. The main man is a captain on the field because he has to implement what has been discussed in the dressing room, and if he's capable of implementing it, I'm sure India will do well.
Dilip bhai, when it comes to T20 format, obviously the transition has been very smooth. Means we have the young guns who is delivering. Means the players like Tilak Verma, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shivam Dubey, Rinku Singh. So as far as T20 cricket is concerned, we already have that bench strength. But the same can apply to the Test format also because we are now passing through the transition phase. कैसे होना चाहिए ट्रांजिशन फेज ऑब्वियसली ये सब बड़े प्लेयर है दिग्गज है लेजेंड्स इन देयर ओन राइट तो हाउ डू यू फेस द ट्रांजिशन वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन रविचंद्रन अश्विन कॉलिंग इट अ डे इन बिटवीन द सीरीज इन बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी तो आपको बिकॉज इंग्लैंड सीरीज इज कमिंग अप वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सीरीज दैट इज कमिंग अप इन जून अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड 5 मैच का श्रृंखला है तो ट्रांजिशन फेज कैसे होना चाहिए इंडियन क्रिकेट एज फार एज टेस्ट मैचेस इज कंसर्न.
See, I always believe that NCA National Cricket Academy in Bangalore can play a very important role because they should be the supply line to Test match cricket. So I don't know what is happening over there. And the thing is that if you don't have players to play at the highest level, I think NCA has to be blamed for that, to be honest with you, because they have been there for years now. They have excellent infrastructure. They must plan all the programs for the players, for the under 19, for the India A teams, and that sort of thing. But I don't know because the thing is that you have to get players from there because all the best players from India they go and practice and play at the NCA. So I hope there are there's some good players who are coming through and would play for India. But I don't know. I think how many are there who can have smooth transition to international cricket.
As far as captaincy is concerned, obviously, who do you reckon would be the ideal person to be the Test captain in future? I know it's a too premature thing, but
I don't know, to be honest with you, because I not watched many matches of late because it's important and it should be made mandatory for all the international players to participate in Irani Cup and Dilip Trophy, which is very important, and they can play in Bangalore in the month of August and September, and everybody should play so that you can assess the strong points and the weak points of the players and whom you can induct in near future or you can wait for them so that they can get experience and they can be groomed at the highest level, which is very important in the sense, because you have to watch these players against the best players, and unless and until everybody plays, then only you can assess the ability of the young cricketers who are playing domestic cricket. Because if they are playing domestic cricket without the test stars or international players, then the whole purpose is defeated.
टेकिंग अ क्यू फ्रॉम दिस जो आपने कहा अभी तो बीसीसीआई ने रिसेंटली took a decision to make the star players play in the Ranji Trophy. Do you think that this should be the case for everyone? मीन्स जब भी आप इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में नहीं खेल रहे हो या आपको कोई अगर इंजरी नहीं है, यू शुड मेक योर सेल्फ अवेलेबल टू प्ले द रणजी ट्रॉफी, विच वॉज द केस रिसेंटली। रोहित को खेलते हुए देखा, ऋषभ पंत को खेलते हुए देखा, इस मैच में सूर्य कुमार भी, यादव भी खेल रहे हैं, ये जो रणजी ट्रॉफी क्वार्टर फाइनल हो रहा है। तो हाउ डू लुक एट दिस मूव बाय बीसीसीआई ऑफ मेकिंग द स्टार प्लेयर्स प्ले द रणजी ट्रॉफी?
See, it should come from within. It should come from the players itself. The thing is that you should not be forced to play, because to play first class cricket also is very important. If you're not in form, then you must go back and play first class cricket and get your form back. As I said before, that Irani Cup and Blue Trophy, everybody should participate, and the board should make it absolutely mandatory for everybody to play in domestic cricket.
जसप्रीत बुमराह को लेके, ही इज इंजर्ड, यू नेवर नो वेदर ही विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी। हाउ बिग अ ब्लो विल इट बी फॉर इंडिया इफ जसप्रीत बुमराह इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी? एंड डू यू थिंक दैट ही नीड्स टू बी प्रिजर्व्ड इन कॉटन वूल, बिकॉज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द टेस्ट सीरीज कमिंग अप अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड?
Very important man, because he's a match winner, and he's a person who can get you wickets in every spell. So Bumrah has to be preserved properly. He is to be played sparingly, and because he's a match winner, and once he's fit, I think he will do extremely well for India. But his absence will be felt without any doubt.
सो जैसे कि आपने सुना कि अकॉर्डिंग टू दिलीप वेंगसरकर, ही रेकन्स दैट बुमराह's absence, if he does misses the Champions Trophy, that will be a huge blow for India. So this is me, Debashish, for signing out for Rep Sports. Keep watching this space to get more updates.